Be nice. Are you putting your shoes on? You putting your shoes on? What are you saying? Don't put it on your foot. On your foot. No, Kitty doesn't want your shoe. No. No. You're not hitting the kitty with your shoe. Why do you have to be so bad? Pay, are you a good girl? You're not? Why aren't you a good girl? Good girl. Payson, are you a good girl? Are you a bad girl? You mama's good girl? Uh-huh. Say bye.
Oh, okay, Kitty's hat.
Kitty's hat. That's his cone.
Huh?
Cone?